Hello everyone, it's Elizabeth. I was going through my YouTube channel the other day and looking at all the videos that I've posted recently and realized that I haven't posted a nail art tutorial in over 9 months, which made me really sad because nail art is something that I really love to do, and that is the reason I started my YouTube channel. So I thought it would be really fun to do this really colorful nail art design. I used a bunch of the colors from the new Glaze Trolls World Tour collection. And this is a fairly easy, simple design. All you'll need is a few colors and a small nail art brush, and you can even do this design on your non-dominant hand. So let's get started. So I start every single nail art design or anytime I paint my nails with a base coat, and this is my favorite base coat for really long-lasting manicures, and it is the Zoya Anchor Base. I highly recommend it, and all the links for the products that I'm using in this video will be listed below if you want to check any of them out. But yeah, 10 out of 10 recommend this base coat if you want a really long-lasting manicure. On my pinky as an accent nail, I applied 2 coats of this gorgeous silver holographic shade called Glitter-ific, and I love this one. I can definitely get a lot of use out of it, and is one of my new all-time favorite nail polishes. On the rest of my nails, besides my ring finger, I painted 2 thin coats of Darlin, which is this gorgeous peachy tangerine shade. When I was swatching this collection, this was one that really stood out to me to be one of my spring favorites, and I was really excited to incorporate it in this nail art. To create the nail art look itself, I used Darlin, It's All Techno, Can't Stop the Feelin, and Glitter-ific. To create this really simple nail art design, I'm taking my small nail art brush and making a wavy line kind of starting in the center of my nail, and this is going to serve as the base for the nail art look. So I'm making this line a bit thicker and more opaque. And then with the other colors, I am following the curve of that line, and what I think really gives this look more dimension and gives it the abstract effect is making sure that your lines are different thicknesses, so making some thinner than others, some thicker than others. And also what's really cool about this look is you can use whatever colors you want to. I thought these were pretty funky and went with the theme of the Trolls movie, but you could do more muted colors, you could even do more neon colors. And what's also cool about this nail art look is you could only use a toothpick for this if you do not have a nail art brush. You could use a stippling motion to make those wavy lines with a toothpick pretty simply. Once I had all of my colors initially laid down, I went back with my nail art brush and just filled in the colors a little bit more, made them more opaque, and cleaned up the lines a little bit. Now this is totally optional, but I am a sucker for all things glitter, so I went back and just added a few thin glittery lines, just again to add a little bit of glitter. I love sparkly things, and I thought it tied in with the pinky accent nail pretty well with the glitter. Once I was finished with the design, I went ahead and used my favorite top coat of all time, which is Essie Gel Setter, and applied a generous coat, making sure that I kept that free edge to prevent chipping. And so here is the finished look. I had a lot of fun filming this nail art tutorial, so I definitely think I'll be making more in the future. Let me know what you think of the design in the comments below, and if you'll be trying it out. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you on my next one. Bye.